evening. Hello.
Hello.
Yeah, yeah. Am I audible to you, Nanyan?
Yes. Audible.
Okay, okay, good. Turn on your camera. Yes. Yeah. Hmm. So you have practiced that geometry
Huh.
formulas.
Yes.
Okay. Huh. So I think I should take a little verbal test, right? Yeah. The angle, opposite angle of the parallelograms are
Opposite.
angles of the parallelogram.
Okay. The
Hmm.
opposite angles are equal.
Yes. And the adjacent angles?
Adjacent angles are not all adjacent angles are equal.
Not equal, I know, but there is a property of adjacent angles also in a parallelogram. Hmm. Tell me.
The adjacent angles meet at 90 degree. nahin.
No,
Intersect.
no. See, we have only two types of properties of angles. Or they are equal, or their sum is supplementary angle.
Hmm.
Supplementary angle. So adjacent sides of the parallelogram, sorry, not sides, angles. The adjacent angles of the parallelogram are of,
Complementary.
huh?
Complementary.
Supplementary. I said supplementary, 180 degree. It is supplement, superior, 180, not 90. Okay?
Okay.
Yeah. So I think you need to revise once again your geometric notes. Okay? Let me check. I'll share you a single picture, right? In that, all formulas are mentioned there. Okay? Don't
Okay.
worry. Okay, now, so you have sent me the PDF of chapter. Tell me.
Area
That
and
was
period.
Aryan parameter. You want to do Aryan parameter?
We can do any chapter.
No, no. You have sent me the PDF of that, yeah. Mensuration. That was a mensuration. Yes?
Huh. Mention.
Okay. We should start with the mensuration. Okay.
There's
Okay.
parent also.
Let me check what kind of questions they ask in this. The area of the quadrilateral is this, and the ratio is this, and the two rectangular this and this are shown in the figure. The area of the rectangle DBEF is. Okay. I think area of rectangle square, you know about that, right?
Yes.
I sh- one thing. You check your question 15. See, this kind of question they ask.
50.
Question number 15. 15, 5, 1, 5, 15. They have asked the question from the triangle? No? Because I'm searching that how many. Yeah, there is a triangle also. There is a
I'm
triangle, and yes, you have to revise mensuration from triangles. Rectangle and square you did already. Okay. So I think we should start with the triangle. Okay. I'm sharing a picture with you to do a quick revision. Okay.
okay.
Hmm. Because it will take a time to write down all the properties. Yes. I click that. Yeah. So what do you know by the triangles? Let tell me.
The
What are
sum of
triangles?
angles are 180 degrees. There are three sides.
Hmm.
There is that altitude, median, and the formula for area is half into base into height.
Okay. Half into base into height. Okay. You know the basics of that. Okay. But in advance, see what we have to study. This picture is visible to you?
Yes, visible.
You can see that? Yeah.
Yes.
Yes. See, this is a mensuration. Okay. Listen these formulas carefully. Okay. After that, we will solve the questions. See, we have a triangle ABC. Okay. Perimeter is equals to sum of all side. You know that. What is
Hmm.
perimeter? Perimeter is the sum of all side in all the figures. Whenever it is a square, maybe it is a rectangle, the perimeter of the shape is sum of all sides. Okay. So next is equilateral triangle. I think we should talk about equilateral triangle. What is equilateral triangle?
The triangle in which all sides are equal.
The triangles in which all sides are equal. Okay. Yes. But the area of the equilateral triangle, you know that? No? Dhanyan?
No.
No? Right. Okay. So perimeter is 3a. You can see here. The perimeter is 3a and the area is root 3 by 4a square. See, we can reduce this formula, but we don't have time to deduction. You have to learn them. Okay. Area is
Okay.
root 3 by 4a square. Altitude. Okay. What is altitude? That
The
h.
line,
Yes. The
the
line, the middle line. Yes.
the
H.
center to the name
One corner.
line segment, the line segment joining from the uh
AC. AD. A to D. Okay, D is not mentioned there, I know, but A to D. D is between A and sorry B and C. Okay, D is between B and C. AD. The altitude. H. H. You can call it H. You can see in the figure. H is there. Altitude is root 3 by 2A. Okay. Altitude is root 3 by 2A. Okay. Once again, what is perimeter of the equilateral triangle?
sides, sum of all sides.
You can say 3A. Nanian.
Huh.
Right. Area.
Root 3 a square upon 4.
Yeah. Altitude.
Root 3 upon 2.
Okay. This is our second method. Okay. In an see, you can see the question also there. In an equilateral triangle of the side, if you have a side of an equilateral triangle, the circumference is what is circumradius? Oh God. I think you should not do this question. This question is like this. No, leave that question. Maybe this question in your exercise or not, I don't know. But I think we should proceed to the isosceles triangle. Okay. What is
Okay.
isosceles triangle?
A triangle in which two sides are only equal.
Huh, yeah. And the third one is different, right? Two sides are
Hmm.
equal. Okay. So they have another properties also. If two sides are equal, their corresponding angles are also equal. Angle AB equal to angle C. If
Angle.
AB equal to AC, then angle B equal to angle C. You can see in this picture. AB
Huh.
equal to AC, then their corresponding angles are also equal. So it is a property of isosceles triangle. Next is perimeter. P is equals to 2AB plus, you know that, sum of all sides, right? Okay. Area. I think we should talk about the area. Area is B by 4 root 4A square minus B square. See, Dhanyan, this is the advanced formula. Nobody will tell you how to find the area of this isosceles triangle. Okay. I
Okay.
write that formula here. You can learn it directly and solve question within a second. Okay. Area is
Okay.
B by 4 root 4A square minus B square. And altitude is half of 4A square minus B square. Otherwise, you have one more option to find the area of the triangle. Half into base into height. You know that?
Huh.
If you know the
Yes.
height, yes. But problem is there. See, where is the problem? Uh, just a second. Let me explain you. Where is the problem? See, if you don't have a height, how will you find the answer? These
X.
formula is for that condition. No, I have told you the conditions, right? That conditions only depend on the side of the isosceles triangle. Okay, got it?
Okay.
See what I'm saying? If you have in isosceles triangle, you know the height, okay, and you know this side only, whatever its side may let this is A, okay, not B, 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 B. because these are A and A. So you can find the area directly, half into base into height, and height 5 centimeter and B is 2 centimeters. So you can find the area directly, yeah. But if you don't know the height, how will you find the area of the triangle? In that case, you have to use this formulas which I have told you. Okay,
Oh,
understood? So
understood.
formula is, tell me, I have told you recently.
A
Formula is,
A square plus
no. That was A is
root
equals
of
to
A
B
square
by 4 root 4A
root
square minus B square.
minus B square.
Okay. You can use this formula, and if you want to find out the perpendicular height, altitude, whatever it is called, 4A square minus B square. Acha, what is the difference between this and this formula? This quantity is same, and only B by 4 and 1 by 2 is different, right? See?
Hmm.
Yes. If height is not given, you have to find the area and the altitude by this formula. Okay? Got it?
Okay.
With the help of all the sides. This is important. You will not find this formula in any book. Okay? Next, next is scale and triangle. Okay. What is scale and triangle?
A triangle which all sides are different and are of different angles.
Okay. Scale and triangle is that in which all the sides are equal, right? So how will you find the area of that triangle? See, all sides are different. You have to use Heron's formula. You have ever heard about the Heron's formula?
No.
No. Okay, let me explain you what is Heron's formula. Okay. See, just a moment. I can explain you. See, this is a concept of class ninth or a 10th, maybe 10th. Okay. We have a triangle which all sides are different, and this is called a scalene triangle. Yeah. So in this you can use Heron's formula. Heron's formula. Okay, what is Heron's formula? In Heron's formula, there is a S. S means a semi-perimeter. What is a perimeter, Daniel?
Sum of all boundaries.
A plus B plus C. Okay, good. But I said semi-perimeter. Semi means
Half.
half. Very good. You can do half. So this is a semi-perimeter, right? A plus B plus C, half of that, it's called a semi-perimeter. Now formula is root S minus A, S minus B, S minus C. Yes? Okay?
Hmm.
This is a formula S minus A, S minus B, S minus C. This is a formula of area when all sides are different. You have to write this semi-perimeter here and minus all the sides from that.
Okay.
Okay? Got it. Yes. Now, we have a right angle triangle. Okay. Right angle triangle. See, in right angle triangle, this is a 90-degree angle, right? This is a base. This is a, what is this? Perpendicular. This is hypotenuse. You know Pythagoras theorem? Hypotenuse square is equals to perpendicular square plus b square, right?
Square.
And second is you know the formula of area half into base into height. You can apply this. Only height. Yeah. So base is this 4 meter. Perpendicular is, this is a height. Okay, perpendicular is a height. 5 5 meters. So your answer is 5 into 4,
Okay.
10. Okay, you can find the area in right angle triangle like this, right?
Hmm.
Got it? Okay.
Yes.
Now, okay, you know about the scale in all triangles are done. Huh? One more thing, I should tell you this or not. Maybe they will ask this kind of question from you, or hmm, I think I should tell you. Yeah. See, if I have a triangle and circle in that, okay, in circle in the triangle, and he will ask you the question that find the ratio between the radius and the side of the triangle. Okay, yes, or he
Yes.
can ask the question that find the inner radius bolte hai. We can say it inner radius r is equals to a by 2 root 3. You can directly learn this formula. And the ratio is r ratio. It is fixed. Okay, it never change. 1:2. This ratio is fixed. 1:2. One more thing. If the triangle circle is on outer boundary like this, and you have to find the value of r. So r is equals to a by root 3.
3.
Circum radius. It is called a circum radius.
Radius.
That was in radius. It is a circum radius. Okay.
Okay.
Circumscribing a triangle in a circle. Right. Now the ratio of the area of incircle and the circumcircle. Okay. One more thing we have. If you want to find, see, sometimes we have this kind of see, what is this? We have outer triangle, inner triangle, then the circle in it. This kind of figure, and he is asking the ratio of incircle, small r and capital R. You can find it ratio of small r. Okay, what is small r? A by 2 root 3. A by 2 root 3. And the capital R is
A by root 3.
A by root 3. You can do the calculations. A cancel, root 3 cancel. So your answer is 1:2. See, I have already write that. This is a 1:2. Okay.
Okay.
If he asks the ratio of area of this, area. This is a ratio of radius, but he can ask about the area. A1 ratio A2. Inner circle, outer circle. So pi r square. You know the area of the circle is pi r square. Pi r capital square. Pi cancel. So r square is, do the square of this. A square, 2 2s are 4 root 3. A square,
Uh,
3.
9. 3. Oh.
3 root 3 becomes 3 because it is cancelled out. Okay, so 3 cancel. A square cancel. 1:4. Wait just a minute, okay? I have to attend a call.
Perfect.
Hello? Yes,
Ah,
Daniel. Yeah.
hmm.
So you can see ratio of area is 1:4. It is fixed. It is always fixed. Okay.
Okay.
Ratio of this type of figure is area is 1:4 and the ratio of the radius is 1:2. Got
1
it?
issue. Hmm.
This is a fixed question. He can ask this. They are fixed from the triangles. Okay?
Okay.
Okay. So, acha. You know about the square area, their diagonal. I have already told you about that. So, tell me, what is the diagonal of the square?
D1 root D1 into
Root.
root D1 plus
I
D2.
think root 2a. That was root 2a. You are confused with the square and the rectangle. I think you should learn the formulas, Dhanyan. How will you do the question without formulas? Tell me. How will you able to solve the questions without formula? Tell me. But you have to learn them, beta. है ना? Yes.
Yeah.
Square. Diagonal of the square is root 2a and the diagonal of the rectangle is hmm, root L square plus B square. Root L square plus B square. Root L square plus B square.
B.
Okay. Yes.
Okay. Hmm.
Hanji. Next. You know about the area and the sites. Okay. Or anything else? Mensuration, anything else? No, I think this is sufficient. Area of the parallelogram?
Parallelogram base into height.
Okay. Okay, parallelogram. Trapezium? Yes. Area of trapezium? Hmm?
Uh, trapezium base नहीं, base into half into base into height.
Half
I'm not
into
sure.
base into height. Acha. Okay. Half into sum of up unparalleled sides
Into
a plus b
sum of
into h.
parallel sides
Yes.
into height.
Yes, yes, yes. Okay, rhombus area is
One up half into that multiplication of diagonals.
yes, diagonals. Okay, right. Oh, or if you want to find the side, then you can use the formula d1 square plus d2 square is equals to 4a square. Okay, you have to
Okay.
learn this formula. Yes, square is done. Right. Okay, one more thing. The question number 15, I have a direct formula of that. Okay, I can share a picture with you, right? Just a moment. Let me click the picture. Mm. Oh, oh, yeah. You can see what we have to do in this. I'll explain you that formula, okay? Don't worry. See, before doing the exercise, I think we should recall all the formulas first. I told you in like next last class that in next class we will do the revision first. After
Hmm.
that, we will do the questions. Yeah.
Okay.
Yes. This is important part. Yes. So yes. See, this is a picture. Next picture is yeah. I'll share you this picture. Okay, Daniel.
Okay.
I'll share you this picture. See, we have a quadrilateral of rectangle. So rectangle's diagonal is root L square plus B square. Okay, done. Square is diagonal is root 2A. Okay, done. Rhombus is half of diagonal into D2 and parameter is 4A and D1 square plus D2 square. This equation is important. Okay, we can use this equation anywhere in the questions. Trapezium is area is equals to half into A plus B into H, and all properties are also notable in this. They see, you can see in a rhombus, I have made a 90-degree angle on the diagonal, right? You can
Hmm.
see that? Yeah.
Yes.
So you can also see that this kind of question is in your in your note exercise. See, first question, you can check that.
Question.
Yes, in this exercise, whatever we are doing, going to do in that exercise, the question number one is looking like this question. Check that.
Huh.
Yes, right?
Hmm.
I know in competition how what kind of question they will ask. I'm also preparing for a competition exam. Okay. Okay. See, this is the formula for the question number 15. We will apply this formula in that question. Okay. Area of
Okay.
the path. I know you can find the area of the path by the long method, but this is the shortest method you can use in the questions by to do the question within a minute. Otherwise, it will take a long time. Okay. See, area of the
That.
path. If you have a boundary, right,
Hmm.
and you want to find outer area, outer area of this boundary. Let me explain with drawing. First, just a moment. Manan, I think I should explain by drawing on a board.
Okay.
Yeah. Hmm. See. Okay. This kind of question they will ask to us. Yeah. See, this is a x and this side is b length and this side is a length. Okay. L. Right? Okay.
Okay.
You have to find this area, area, this area. So you can directly find area is equals to 2xl plus b plus 2x. Directly you will find the area within a minute by the calculation. The width of the path. If the path is this, then you can find the direct form area. Okay?
Hmm. Okay.
Write this formula right now. Because this kind of question is there in your exercise, question number 15. You can see the figure also there.
For the boundary one, na, this is the formula for boundary.
Yeah, boundary one. This formula is for outer boundary, okay? Outer, outer,
A
okay?
equal to x. Okay. L plus b plus 2x. Okay, yes, written.
If we want to find the inner in the same inner path, means that was an outer, that was outside, as arrow is going outward, and if the we find the inner, he can ask in a question, okay? That find the area of the inner, okay? Inside, like this. Things are same. This is a x, this is a l, this is a b, but only sign is changed. Area is equals to 2x l plus b minus 2x. Only minus is changed here. You have to subtract this. And this is a inner, inner part.
In outer it will be addition and inner subtraction.
Bas, yeah. This is simple. Simple formula.
Okay.
After this revision of formulas, you will not facing any problem in solving the question. Okay.
Okay.
That's why I have revised all the formulas from class 10th, 9th, 6th, 8th, everything. Okay. This is a mensuration. One more thing. He can also ask the question of inner inner path. Yes. Like this. This is a favorite question of the examiner. Maybe you had did
Yes.
this question somewhere, right? Okay.
Huh.
So I have a direct formula for this also. X is this. X but is a path. This is a L. This is a B. So your formula is L plus B minus X. Directly your formula is L plus B minus X. Write this formula.
For which for this rectangle, what do we call
Yes,
it?
this. See, we want this path, particular path. This one, this strip. Yeah, this strip, this and this sum
Okay, I
area
understand.
of these strips. Okay,
Done.
done. Okay, triangles done, and we did a area of all the figures. Now I think we don't need to do. Okay, circle.
Volume
Okay, if
hemisphere.
if volume, they will ask the question of volume also. Really?
Hmm. Volume hemisphere. Unit conversion of volume.
Hmm. Okay. Hmm. Okay. So I think we should also revise the volume formulas also. Hello.
Hemis- Hemisphere. Yes.
Okay. So I think we should revise the 3D formulas also, right?
Hmm.
In this class, maybe we should only revise the formulas. I think question we will do in next class. Okay. No problem. You know what, Danyan? Before doing any exercise, the procedure is accurate like this. We have to just remind all the formulas from class 6th, 7th, 8th, 9th, 10th because Huron's formula is from class 10th. I think you have not ever heard about it, right? Okay. But you can use that formula. That was an easy formula. No problem. So next talk about the 3D. Okay. What are the 3D figures? Tell me.
3D figures. Where 3 dimension.
Yes, which have a 3 dimension. Very good. See, I'll show you. See, basic difference between the 2D and the 3D figures are, if the 2D, we are studying a 2D and 3D. So volume. Here we have a volume, but here we doesn't have a volume, right? We don't
Hmm.
have a volume here, of course, right? This is of a 2 dimension where x-axis and y-axis are only present. See, like this. Concentrate, Dhanyan. Where only two planes are present. How? See, uh, this board, only two planes are there. Okay, four corners are there. This is R of shape of rectangle, right? Yes, right. But
Yes.
if you have a box, in which you can put any things, right? Box. Box is a cube. Box is a cube. You can think about it. Box is a cube, right? It can be cuboid, but it has some height. It has some height.
Height.
But in 2D figures, we don't have a height. We have only length and breadth, like one side and two side only. Okay. But in 3D, we have three sides. How many sides?
3 sides.
Three. Three sides. Length, breadth, and one more. Height, box, in which you can put some things. Right? Like your water tank.
Huh.
It contains a water, right? The water
Yes.
tank is containing water. So that water is a volume of that figure. Okay. That water is a volume of that figure. Okay, so you understood the volume, right? Okay. So next, I think we should start with the cube. So, acha, one more thing. Cube is made up of, from which 2D shape cube is made up of?
Square.
Square. Very good. Because its all sides are equal, right? Very good. So I think you know the basics. See, if we have a cuboid, it has all the sides. You don't need to write them. Okay, I'll send you all the pictures of the formulas, right? It will be easy you to revise that. A, all sides are equal. How many faces are there, Danyant?
Three.
Six.
6 and vertex is not here. 12.
Six.
6
What
are
is
6
12?
and
What? Acha, what
what
is this are six? Yeah, but I'm not asking a vertices. I'll just ask that how many faces? Faces. Count the face. Face means one side. See, we are sitting in a room right now. We are sitting in a room. One wall, backward wall, two, side one wall, three, four, floor, and up. How many?
6. 6.
Six. Yes. Four walls, and one is floor, up, another is upward direction. Which one is roof? Okay. Top and bottom. One is top and bottom, roof and floor, and four walls. Okay. Now, your total surface area. We have two type of surface area in that. What is total surface area? See, if you add all the areas up, down, left, right, front, backward, all faces, then this is a total surface area. Okay, this is called a total surface area, and formula of total surface area is 6a square. Okay, how I deduce that? Can you tell me?
By adding it, because there are
Ah,
6.
yes. 6. See, area of one face is a square. So a square plus a square plus a square plus a square plus a square. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many a squares are there? How many faces areas are there? 6. So our
6.
area is 6. Now, question is for you. Tell me the curved surface area of cube.
Curved surface means lateral surface also, no?
No, the curved surface area means area of only four walls. Area of only four walls, not floor included, not
will be 4 square unit.
Yeah, very good. It is 4a square. Very good. So you don't need to cram them. Okay? This formula, you don't need to cram them. Only learn that formula which are important. Okay? You can't find them easily, but you can find them easily. You know the area of the square is a square. There are six faces. So this is 6a square. But the curved surface area is 4 square a square because the four walls of the cube is 4a square. Right? Yes?
Huh.
Next. Volume. Okay, volume is also length into breadth into height. Okay, length into breadth into height. Can you tell me what is length here, what is breadth here, and what is height here? All are
Breadth is
same.
all are same.
All are
So
same. Why are you confused? So what is your answer? A cube. So your final answer is it is a cube. Okay.
okay.
Yes. Now, chalo. Cuboid. Talk about cuboid. How many faces are there? Same. It is same, only just change in sides. This is length, this is breadth, and this is height. We have three different sides, right? Length, breadth, height. Length, breadth, height. It is made up of a rectangle. It is made up of a rectangle. Okay. Their faces are look like a rectangle. For example, can you give me the example of rectangular shape? Cuboid,
Rect-
cuboid,
cube
cuboid, cuboid. Hmm.
is above rectangle.
It is made up of a rectangle. Give me any live example.
Box.
Okay, box. The box may be of square.
And
Any other? Fridge,
fridge. Huh.
TV,
Mm. Phone.
room, phone. Right. All these are the example of cuboidal shape. Okay. Right. But and the main example is your room. Room is the best example of cuboid because see there we have a three corners. You can see. See Danyant, इधर देखो बेटा. See one corner, second corner. So corner is one, but the sides are going three. One, two, three. Are you able to see? Yes.
Yes, yes, yes.
One, two, three. So corners are many, but the sides going through it is three, like this. Let me show you. Like this. है ना? So it is little bit, yeah. So this is a corner and these are side X, Y, and Z. In 2D shapes, we have only two axes. In 3D, we have three axes. Okay? Yes?
Yes.
Now, next is back to cuboid. Yeah. What is total surface area?
Two length into breadth. Nahi.
Hmm.
Huh. Plus.
Yes, yes. See how it works. Area of one face is L into H. Another face is H into B. Another face is L into B. Okay. And the faces are same. Front face. See, Danyant, front face and the back face is same. Two faces are looking same. Yes,
Huh.
right? So if two faces are looking same, it means 2LB plus 2HL plus 2BH. Okay. You can write it in any order. You don't need to cram them. Okay. Okay. Now what is curved surface area? Yeah, definition is same. Curved surface area, the area of the four walls.
Into L plus B.
What? What? Sorry.
2H into nahi, 2H into L plus B.
2H into L plus B. It means 2HL, 2HL, okay, downward, and 2HB, right? You don't need to include LB. Yes, right, okay. So, volume I have already told you, length into breadth into height directly. Yes,
Yes.
done, right? Two figures are done. Okay, next is cylinder. Cylinder. Hmm. Cylinder. This is a height, this is a r, this is a r. Okay. You know the area of the cylinder?
No, pi r square something. I'm not remember.
Pi r square h, maybe.
In pi r square into h equals to pi square h, something like that.
See, our curved surface area is 2 pi r h. I will also deduce that. Okay. Just a moment.
Total
I'll prove
surface is
you.
2
I'll
pi
prove
r.
you how it is. Yes, pi r square and sorry, 2 pi r square and volume is pi r square h. Okay. See, curved surface areas. I have already told you that curved surface area is a boundary. Matlab, you have to delete upside and downside. Okay. Only include that round. Okay. If you have a this pen, only include this this area is like this. Don't need to include this and this part. Okay. That is a curved surface area. Curved surface area only this shape. So we have H in that, right? We have R. Okay, what is R and H? H and 2 pi R. See, what is this? Tell me.
R means that
Shape,
circular.
beta shape. Daniel, identify the shape. What is this? How it looks like?
Rect-
Don't say only the shape. Look. Square? It is square?
rectangle.
Yes, it is rectangle. You have a rectangle sheet. Basically, I'm explaining that how this formula deduce. Okay, how they comes from. If you have a rectangular sheet, if you have a rectangular sheet, you can fold them. Oh yeah, I have that. Just a moment. Wait a moment. Wait a moment. Okay, I'll show you. Hmm. This is a rectangular sheet. Okay. Yes.
Hmm.
Fold it. Like this. Understand what I'm saying? This is cylinder. This is cylinder, right?
Yes.
So, yeah. How it made? How it made? Tell me. This is a height. Okay. This is a rectangular shape. This is a height. And we have 2 pi r here. Here 2 pi r. 2 pi r. Why? Why it is 2 pi r?
Because the area of a circle is 2 pi r. No,
Area
that
ni
perimeter.
perimeter.
Huh.
Yeah, yes, very good. The perimeter of the circle is 2
2 pi.
pi r. Okay. So this side become 2 pi r and this side is h. If you want to find the curved surface area, you can apply the rectangle. Area of the rectangle is length into
Into breadth.
breadth. So 2 pi r h into h. So your formula is 2 pi r h. You will never forget this. Okay. Now you will never forget this formula in your life. So बताओ मुझे. Let me know.
2
Area is sorry,
2 pi
curved
r.
surface area is curved surface area is 2 pi RH. 2 pi RH. Don't need to cram them because this side is 2 pi RH and this length is height. Okay. Next. Next, Daniel. This cylinder has some base. Now I attached to circular base. Think about it. See my hand. Circle in shape of circle. Okay. I have covered it from the both hand. Okay. Yeah. Now, tell me what is the area of circle
Area of circle pi r square.
and two area of circle is
2.
two. See, one is here and one is here. How many? Two.
2, huh?
Two pi r square, one pi r square, one pi r square. How many pi r square? Two pi r square, right? So your total surface area is last one 2 pi r h plus 2 pi r square. Okay, got it?
Okay.
Okay, very good. Next is volume. See, you have to. I think you should learn volume. You don't need to reduce that because that is a long method. Pi r square h. That is a pi r
Fine.
square h. Okay. Yes. Next shape is
Cone.
cone. Hmm. Okay. Think about it. Cone is made up of. Okay, you can make a shape of cone with the help of this. No, you can't make it. This rectangular shape. No what? Triangle shape.
Triangle. Yes.
If you have a triangular sheet, let me make that. Okay. Yes, I'm just doing that. Yeah. To explain you this, I'm doing that. Okay. Okay. Now this is a rectangle. Okay. Yeah. This is a rectangle. See? Yes. Now fold it. Okay. I think it is made. Cone. Ice cream cone. Hmm.
Hmm.
So this is a cone. Okay. So cone is made up of triangle shape, right? So you
Right.
need to use a triangular uh, area or a perimeter, what like this. Okay. Yes. Yeah.
Yes.
I'll explain that. Now, see all in all figures, this same formula is applied. You have to just use the 2D shapes in that. Okay. See, if you have a shape like this, if you have a height, if you have a radius, right? And this cone is made up of a triangular shape. Okay. So curved surface area is 2 pi r h because in this triangle we have some height. And in the downward, we have a 2 pi r, sorry, or pi r h, only pi r h. Hey, 2 pi r h. Perimeter of the circumference is 2 pi r. 2 pi r. Sorry, I forgot that. 2 pi r. Circumference of circle is 2 pi r because
Two.
its radius is r, na? 2 pi r. And your height is, Nanyan?
H.
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 Yes. So now your formula is base into height 2 pi r h. Okay? Yes.
This is for area, na?
Just a moment. I think I have made a mistake. Oh God. I have confused in the cylinder. Just a moment. Just a moment. We have one more thing here. We have slant height also. I forgot that. Yeah. The side of the triangles are L. The side of the triangles are L now. Dhanan, sorry. The side of the triangles are L. 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 Here L. Here L. I forgot that. L. L. Okay. And here is R. Hmm?
Hmm.
Pi R. Okay. So curved surface area is pi r l. Sorry, h is not included. Pi r l. Total surface area is pi r l plus pi r square. Okay. See.
Then it will be pi r l plus r.
Hmm. Pi. Huh. Yeah, you can make that formula, but the half curved surface area is pi r l, and this lower base is. See, this lower base is circular, right? So its area is pi r square. I told you in the cylinder pi r square plus pi r square 2 pi r square, but here only one pi r square, one circular shape. So we write that pi r square only. Okay. Volume
Okay.
is 1 by 3 pi r square h. Volume is 1 by 3 pi r square h. Okay. Got it?
Hmm. Yes.
Length is h square plus r square. H square plus r
Plus R.
square. Okay. Slant height. This is called a slant height. Okay. Slant height. H square. See how it comes. You can find it yourself. See, this is r. Okay. This is a 90-degree angle. Apply the Pythagoras theorem. You can apply the Pythagoras theorem. This is the
Yes. H
hypotenuse.
square.
L square is equals to h square plus r square.
R
So
square.
your formula is h square
No.
plus r square. You don't need to cram this. Okay. This is also easy. See how it works. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. Yeah. Our next figure is, yeah, sphere. Last, maybe. It is last. Sphere and hemisphere. Sphere and hemisphere. Sphere is, this is a figure. See. Acha, what is the difference between the circle and the sphere? You can't see on a page. Tell, tell me the example of sphere.
Spare ball.
Huh. Football, ball, any ball, football. This is a shape of sphere which have a vacant space in that. Okay. Which has a vacant space in that. Okay. Good. So its formula is, it has a volume. Yeah, it has a volume 4 by 3 pi r square. Okay. And its total surface area is, it has only total surface area. Why? Can you tell me? 4 is 4 pi r square. Danyant, can you tell me why
Because
this figure only has a surface area, not curved surface area?
surface area,
Hmm.
because it is having no like length, breadth, and
No,
no sides are there. No sides are there.
because not open shape are there. Like if you cut that figure, see, if you cut that figure in two parts, like this, see how it looks like now? It is look like a cone. It has a shape like this, yes? But
Huh.
now it has a curved surface area, it has a total surface area, it has a volume also. Okay. So the volume of this hemisphere is half of the volume of sphere. Half of the volume is 2 by 3 pi r square. Okay. Yeah.
Huh.
Surface area is half of this. Surface
Total
area
surface
is.
area 3 pi.
Acha, how is this? 3 pi r square. This is 4 pi r square and this is 3 pi r square. Can you tell me?
Be- because over there,
Hmm.
in the figure, that it is
Both
in a
side is
hemisphere,
there.
it is half. It is half.
Yes. So 2 pi r square plus pi r square. Okay. Now curved
3.
surface area is 2 pi r square. Okay. This area is not
Hmm.
included, so our area is 2 pi r square. If this area is included, then our area is 3 pi r square. Okay. Yes.
Okay.
Yeah. So, Danyant, we have revised all the formulas from the mensuration from classes 6 to 10th. Okay. Understood? Now, in next class, we will do the questions. Or, your homework is you have to learn all these formulas. I will take your test. Okay. Oral test. And one more thing, try this exercise. You can solve this
Okay, I'll try.
easily. Yeah, this question is not so hard. If you know the formulas, you can do the questions easily. Even you can directly find the area of the question number 5. You can check that. You have 4 5 minutes. You can do that question because I'll give you the direct formula of this question. Question number 16. Let me also check question number 16.
16.
15, 15, 15. That was 15. See, a square garden measuring each side 8 meter if is surrounded by a 1 meter wide path. Okay. The value of x is 1 meter. Okay. The value of x is 1 meter. What is the area of that path? You have to find the area of the path. You can apply. You can apply any formula. Okay.
Side square.
Apply first one. Hmm.
8 का 8 square will be 64
This
and
will be, see, we have a formula like this. Our formula is, uh, what is our formula? I forgot that. L plus, 2x L plus B plus 2x, right? Yep, yes, yay. So our
yes.
x is 1 meter, yes. Side are same, both sides are same, 8 plus 8, 2. 18 duni, yes. 18 twos are 36. Our answer is 36. Dhanyan. Yes?
Because of that 1 meter wide path, we have to add it now. It will be
Yeah,
10, then
yeah.
10, then 100
Hmm.
minus 36.
See, you can see this. I have solved the question instantly. See, within a second, how quick I did this question. You can see that. 2x L plus
Wait.
B 2x, right? Its length and breadth are same. So I have applied 8 plus 8. I have solved this question. So
Hmm.
these questions are easy. You can try yourself. I have explained you all the formulas. Yeah, recently I'll share you all the pictures of formulas. Okay, don't worry about that. Okay, done. Now it's time to leave. I have another class 7 p.m. and it's already 6:57. Okay, bye.
Okay. Bye.